Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you how to make leave-in conditioner that supports hair growth, and I'm going to share with you how you can dispense it into this bottle that will make it easier and you will enjoy using it. This is my daughter's hair and I've been using homemade natural products from day one on her hair to help grow healthy, long, thick, beautiful hair. And you might be wondering, it has always been like that? No, this was her hair so unhealthy and we started afresh. And today, look at her hair and look at how the leave-in conditioner conditioned her hair with no water. So let's get into it. First, we get out our measuring cups and bowl. So our first ingredient is water, 1 cup of distilled water. Next, we have shea butter. Shea butter seals moisture into the hair, increase shine, and reduce frizz. It's also rich in vitamins A and E to nourish and protect the hair. Next, we have 1 tablespoon of emulsifying wax. Next is 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil can moisturize dry, brittle hair, making it softer and more manageable. Next is vegetable glycerin. We have 1 tablespoon as well. Glycerin adds moisture to the hair. Here we are going to boil water to melt all the ingredients. And this is why you should make your own product, because in this tutorial we have like 5 ingredients. The rest are fragrance and preservatives. So here I turn in the emulsifying wax into the jojoba oil and the shea butter and the vegetable glycerin into the water. I did put water on the stove to melt the shea butter, the oil, and the emulsifying wax. And I'm gonna put this to the bowl and the measuring glass into the boiling water. Liking the video so far, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. So remember to put your water on a low heat so that it will not mess up with the potency of the ingredients. So now the oil is melted and the water and the glycerin mixture is hot enough to absorb the oils. We then pour in the oils into the water and use your whisk to mix it up. After like 1 minute, you just take it out. And after taking it out, you can continue using a whisk or you can switch it to an electric whisk. After mixing it, allow it to cool for like 30 minutes and the mixture will start forming up. So this is how it is, and I'm going to mix it up again and you see that it will start thickening up. So this is it. Here I'm adding vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil acts as an antioxidant. That was 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Next is preservative. I'm adding 1 teaspoon as well. And I'm adding essential oils as fragrant, which are peppermint essential oil, 8 drops of peppermint essential oil, and orange essential oil. Here I'm adding 10 drops of orange essential oil. And I'm going to mix that up with my wooden spatula. I use that to make my hair and body product. And I also use electric whisk to mix it up. This is optional, you don't have to. And at this point, our leave-in conditioner is ready to turn into the bottle, but I left it for it to cool down a bit more. And this is how it turned out. And let me tell you that it's gonna be hard to dispense into this bottle, and that is why I was kind of struggling. So that's not the best way to do it. And I brought in the funnel, it wasn't working. Luckily, I had another one that I made, and I'm gonna show you that very soon. And if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So here is the consistency that you need for it to go into the bottle. If you leave it for it to harden up, it will be difficult. And here we have another bottle, and I put a funnel on it, and look at that. Look at how it just flows into the bottle. So this is a good time to turn it into the container so that it will not get hardened up and difficult. So there you have it, how to make your leave-in conditioner at home. And with less than 10 ingredients altogether, you have healthy leave-in conditioner at home. I bet your store-bought leave-in conditioner doesn't have less than 10 ingredients. That is why you make your own products and you know what is inside, and it's healthy and it supports hair growth. Stay tuned, I'm going to share with you how I put it on my daughter's hair, and I use it on my hair too as well. So here is the little bottle, and we're still struggling. That is why you don't make that mistake. Well, I don't do that. I just wanted to show it to my audience. And if you're liking this video so far, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. In this channel, we encourage healthy hair, healthy body, raising healthy children, parenting tips. So consider subscribing to the channel. Lots of people ask me, how can I get your product from you? I'm going to leave my email in the description box below. Check it out. And here are my other products that support hair growth. This is black soap shampoo, leave-in conditioning spray. We also have rosemary butter for hair growth. Also, 2-in-1 hair moisturizing cream, rosemary water, also rosemary oil. So this is me. I'm going to show you how I use the product on my hair, because I've heard someone say use it on your hair first before using it on your kids' hair. I'm like, I use it too. I make it using natural ingredients that is healthy, and you know what is inside, and is few in quantity, you know. So here I am applying it on my hair. And also stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how I apply it on my daughter's hair too. Here is my daughter, and look at how dry her hair is. With the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to condition this hair with no water added to it. How is that going to be possible? Good question. Remember, water was the biggest amount of ingredient in this leave-in conditioner. So here we go. We take the leave-in conditioner and we apply it on the hair, and let's see how it conditioned this hair in a very beautiful way, and I'm sure you're gonna like it. Liking the video so far, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. This is it. the hair looking so moisturized and healthy with only the leave-in conditioner. And that was the style we used. After the leave-in conditioner was applied that day, I cornrowed her hair, and look at that length. Remember, this was how our hair used to be. Our hair used to be like this, so scanty. Today, look at this hair looking full and healthy. And this is us rocking our cornrows together, which is why I love being natural with Markit. Once again, if you're interested in me making the product for you, let me know. Or you can watch the video on the screen and make it for yourself. Thank you so much for watching.